Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I am so happy to have you here today. Thank you for stopping by. Today, we're here to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We're located in the DFW area. I go to several stores each week, combine all the pictures I take into one video, and organize them by section. So let's go shopping. We'll start with the apparel and accessory items that we found so far this week. There's these Peds Ultra Sheer Run Resistant hose. They also have this Ultra Sheer nylons by the Gildan brand. They have those in several different sizes and colors. Then we've got the two pair of the fashion anklets. They fit shoe size 5 to 10, and this is the Peds brand. They have them with the lace top in the black and the tan, which comes in that 2-pack. I also found the men's boxer briefs. They had quite a few different ones out this week. They go from sizes small to extra large. They had the Blow Pop, Sugar Daddy. There were two different colors of the Popeye. You get with the black or the green background, and they also had the Airheads. Then for the arts and crafts this week, I was excited to see they brought back the unfinished ceramic vases. You can see how many different styles they actually make these in. They sell pretty quickly around here. If you can find the ceramic paint that we demonstrated that they sell a few weeks ago on one of our DIY videos, you will really hit the jackpot. Those are fun to paint with that ceramic paint. Then they've got the hanging eucalyptus in the light green and the dark green. Or you can get these bundles of flowers, which are quite large. You get 5 large flowers with the baby's breath and greenery that comes with it. They have a bunch of different colors. They have a really pale pink, a pink and purple, a lavender, almost like an orangish yellow color. They have an off-white and a bright white. Like I said, they're a nice full bouquet of flowers. 2 or 3 of these makes a really great bundle. Then over in the beads, they had the soft beads restocked. Those are the larger round beads with the swirl, or you can get the solid color in white, purple, pink, blue, and yellow. Now these patches, these are not the iron-on. These are the peel and stick, the chenille ones. They say besties. They have sassy, salty, and love. So even though it has the iron on the front, these are actually the peel and stick. And then if it says iron on, then those are the ones that you can iron on. So just make sure you check the packaging. Those say sassy and fierce. And then they had their beads with the kind of like pearls and rhinestones. Those also are the iron on ones. And this week I found the bride and love ones restocked. Then they have their extra large wooden DIY stars. They have the star ornaments. Those are the ones that are about an inch thick. And they have these cute little birdhouse boxes or bird feeders with the star cutout in the background. For the baby and toddler, they really didn't have a whole lot new this week, just the comb and brush set, which is the Sesame Street version, and they've had these out before. You do get the comb and the brush for the $1.25, and they had Big Bird, of course, Cookie Monster, and then Abby and Elmo. Then for the health and beauty, we'll see what's new first in the cosmetics this week. There were these new lip color by Splash, made in the USA. It says the color is called Wickedly Divine. It's a matte lipstick with vitamin E, long lasting, and paraben free. And this is what the container looks like. If you look way down at the bottom, you can kind of see what the color is that's in the packaging. Then they had the Sassy Chic powder puff with the case for setting powders and loose powder. They had those in the pink. There's also the teal blue. They have it in purple, or you can get the mix match, which is the pink puff with the purple case. Also, I found these beauty blenders in purple and pink, and you can see there's 2 styles there. Now for the hair care, one of my most exciting items that I found this week was the one and only items. This is the Color Oasis Smoothing Conditioner. It's really great for color treated hair. It helps prevent fading, and you can usually get these at Sally's Beauty Supply. So I was really excited to find them for just $1.25. They also had the coconut treatment mask for repairs and strengthening the hair, or you can get the molding cream. The texture is to hold, and so it's good for styling the hair. All the one and only brands. They also had the Shea Solution Curl Stretch Cream, the Ampro's Beautiful Child Hair Cream for children, and then the Flexible Hold Conditioning Shine Treatment. Over in the pharmacy and personal care, a few more stores are carrying the body lotion in the 4 new scents for summer. There's the Tropical Coconut, There's also passion fruit escape, the pineapple sunset, and the cabana kiwi. They also had those in the exfoliating foot mask, the tropical coconut, and the cabana kiwi. And then I found these hydrating gloves for tired, overworked hands. This is Bio Miracle Naturals Hydrating Heating Hand Mask. And they have the little booties for your foot. These are a cooling foot mask. So you got the heating for the hands and the cooling for the feet. They also had this anomaly bonding treatment mask. It says it builds and strengthens. And it says unconventional hair care. And I looked this up online. These are actually sold at Walmart right now for $11.50. So it's a great buy at the Dollar Tree. They also had these clinicals, spa prescriptions, lift and firm spatial serum for anti-aging. And then over in the Fun Finds, there were these little booklets with the little cutout at the top for young ones to hold. And it has 100 stickers. There's an activity pad, so little activities and games for them to play. They had the Marvel, Princess, and Jurassic World. Also, there's the stationery sets that they have out this week. It has the little memo pad. They have the small memo pad and a pen all together with some coordinating colors. They have like time to check and the to-do list. So there's a couple different ones with different color pens. This one says to-do list, and it has the little bubbles at the side for the checklist. Over in the home decor, really not a lot new this week. They did have these smaller size stretched canvas. If you buy 2 of them, they coordinate and it completes a whole picture. So you have the larger picture, or you can put them separately. Of course, you don't have to put them together, but you can see there is 2 different ones for each pattern or design that they have, like the 2 butterflies, the 2 different birds. They have some flowers that are in different directions. You can put those together to make one large picture. They even had the large tropical like palm leaves and things like that. Some more of the tiger pictures with the gold backgrounds. They had the cheetahs, and those were in the larger sizes and the smaller sizes. And this one actually has some words. Over on this side, it says "We Are Family," written in that gold metallic. They had more of the different animals wearing like sunglasses and the fun colors. There was the giraffe, and they had another elephant picture out this week. Then for the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, they had these canister LED lights. You just have to open them up to get the stand out, and then you can put them in the yard. They had those in the metal design and the black. There's also these extra large 30-gallon trash bags for yard waste, and they had the moisture control produce bags. You get 15 of those. They actually work quite great. They're a gallon size, and they had more of these zipper storage bags with the slider in their pattern on the outside. For the home, office, library, and teaching tree section, they had these Beauty and the Beast create, color, and draw books. So it looks kind of like a coloring book, but when you open it up, there's all these different pages where they encourage you to draw and add to the booklet. They had some retro style coloring books. This one was the Rugrats, and some new dot to dot books. They had Nickelodeon, Nella the Princess Knight, and dot to dots. I tell you guys this all the time. Great books for little kids for number recognition and counting and ordering. There's also the paint with water books. They had the Paw Patrol version. There are 3 of those. These are great. You just need a paintbrush and some water. So they are mess free. And they had some Bible paint with water books. There's the Creation. They had a Moses. And the other book that they had was Joseph in the Coat of Many Colors. Then over in the kitchen and pantry, this week we have some pantry items. They had out this new hot and sweet relish. Usually it's just sweet relish. This one's hot. They also had the Broken Taco sweet herbed jalapenos. That's in an 8 fluid ounce bottle. And the pickles, they had some spicy pickle spears. So really on that kind of spicy train there. Then there's the instant protein oatmeal by Real Gourmet. It's banana caramel flavor. It's an instant oatmeal. And then we've got these new coffee mugs. It says Stay Wild Moonchild. And they're all in this color blue. And you can see the little tag there. Also, it says that they were microwave and dishwasher safe. They have more of this blue kind of starburst dish set out. They have the bowls, the dinner plates, and the salad plates. Also, the coffee cups to match. And a few weeks ago, I was saying how it's rare to see the glassware this stocked. It was pretty much wiped out and they restocked it again this week. So that was nice to see that they're keeping up with that. Also, they have the Disney Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse oven mitts. And I found some more of their dish towels as well, which coordinate with all the oven mitt design that you see here. So I didn't think I need to show the towels as well, but they do have towels to match. Over in the party supplies, they've got these treat bags. You get 10 of them in a bag, and they have a couple different color of the polka dots. There's like dark pink, red, light pink, and blue. You can also get all those colors in the stripes. As you can see here again, you get 10 of the bags in each packet. And to coordinate with all of the dots and the stripes, you can also get it with the stars on the bags. Then they had a whole bunch of their party streamers restocked. It's rare to see that many colors. Usually we have like 3 colors. So I was happy to see all of those and more of the birthday badges. For the pet care this week, they have a bunch of those yarn balls that are wrapped up. They have a whole bunch of different colors of those. Those are great for cats or dogs. And then they had the larger, lightweight fur color covered ball for the cat toys that have a jingle bell inside. There's also some flea and tick control for your cats and dogs at the Dollar Tree. Then over in the toys and games section, they had these tiny little like Tsum Tsum characters. There is all of the Sesame Street characters. They had some Peppa Pig and the 2 different characters from PJ Masks. Then for the Hot Wheels style toys, they have these Monster Jam monster trucks. There was like Grave Digger, and they had I think it's El Toro Loco. It's called. Looks like the bull, and they also had their pickleball rackets with the balls restocked. For the seasonal items, they had these LED lanterns for outside. They are plastic. They look like they're glass, but they are just plastic. They have the one with the little dots or the diamond pattern. They also have these black ones and the little cages. You can set these on your tabletop or you can hang them. They have a hanger on the side. They've restocked their solar stake lights that look like a sunflower. And they have a bunch of the garden stones. This one says Live, Love, Garden. Bless this garden with the little frog. They also have some flowers that just say welcome to my garden with the bumblebees, and also the Be Happy with the beehive. They have the larger stepping stones. They had these out real early in the spring. They've just restocked these. It's like the 3rd time that they've put these out since early spring. And then they had the bumblebee ones as well with the gnomes. If you've never grown a mammoth sunflower, I encourage you to do so. I used to grow these with the kids. They are absolutely fascinating to watch how quickly they grow. They're starting to put out some fall items. I think these are overstocks from last year, but they were already pulling these out to the floor, getting ready to put some of these out. There are the kind of like scarecrows and then the buffalo plaid pumpkins. For the Dollar Tree Plus items, we've got this week the extra large teddy bears. These are $5 each. They come in 3 different colors. They have the light brown, dark brown, and then the medium kind of golden brown. They have the 21-piece tea play set and the little umbrella stroller. That one is $5. Also the toy lawnmower, that is also $5. And they have these Marilyn Monroe socks. They come in a 10-pack. You get 10 pairs of socks for $5. And you can see this is like the blue and sage green color scheme. It has all the designs of the sock actually on the side, so you can see what all is in there. They have a black, white, and gray color scheme. And again, you can see all the different designs on the side of the packaging. Also, they have these portable mini desktop vacuums and the Wi-Fi smart RGB light bulb. It's 60 watts. It says it's 3 easy steps to set up. You download, connect to control, and there's lots of different colors you can switch it through. They have these extra large throw pillows for $5. They had them in black. These look gray, but they're actually sage green. And that's all for today's video. Thank y'all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a comment down below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't done so already. I hope you all have a very lovely week, and I'll see you back here on Friday to see what else comes new in the trucks at the Dollar Tree. Have a great one, and I'll see you then.